What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to take a look at how to get a Ford Bronco started if the key fob dies. Whether that be a dead battery or some other issue with the key fob, I'm going to show you how you can still get your Ford Bronco started. I'm going to be demonstrating on a 2021 Ford Bronco in this video, but it will be the same on a few different years. So I've taken the battery out of this key fob to demonstrate. As you can see, none of the buttons are working. If I try to start the vehicle as I normally would, I'm going to get a message here saying no key detected. So what we need to do is place the key fob in the programming slot, and that's located in the center console. And we need to remove this little bit of padding that's in the bottom, and then we can see the slot right there. So we'll take our key fob, place it in there like that. And then once it's in that slot, we can come over here and just start the vehicle as we normally would. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.